Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my video topic, that is data structure and algorithms. So what is data structure? So data structure, it is a, we can say, method, or it is a process through which we store our data, or we store, manage and organize our data. So in Java, or in Java program, using data structure, we can say we perform many various operations on our data. We can say our data. So there are mainly two types of data structures, that is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So linear data structures, like the data structure which store their data sequentially, or in the linearly, sequentially, or you can say contiguously. So the example of linear data structure are, can say, array, array list, linked list, etc. Or you can say stack, queue. So means the data are stored in that in this data structures are, we can say, linearly, means one by one. So when we going to access the data, we can access the data through its indexes. So the linear data structures having its indexes, so through indexes we can access the data. The other hand, that we can see non-linear data structures. So the non-linear data structures are, we can say, examples are tree sets, tree, and graph, grape. So we can say the tree, it is, we can say, stored through nodes, various nodes. So it is not sequentially stored. We can it store data, I can say the data, it sort the data and it store the data. But in other hand, linear data structure, it store the data sequentially, or we can say linearly. So now we will talk about algorithms. So what is algorithms? Algorithm means, suppose, as we know, a program, it is a set of instructions. So to perform a program, we have to perform, or we have to execute some set of instructions. So the set of instructions are written, or we can say are, we can call as an algorithm. Or we can say, when we write the set of instruction on a paper, the steps that are, we can say, we will not write full description, but we will just write some basic information, or we can say some diagrammatically representation of our process or our task. That is an algorithm. So that is algorithm. So this is all about data structure and algorithms. So with this all, I like to stop here, and thank you.